When to capitalize letters in English. Have you ever written a sentence and wondered whether a letter should be capital or small? Many students know the answer, but still make capitalization mistakes in exams and assignments. The good news is that capitalization is easy once you know a few simple rules. Let's learn them together. Capitalization means writing a letter in uppercase form. For example, the small letter A becomes the capital letter A. Using capital letters correctly makes your writing clearer, more organized, and grammatically correct. The first rule is simple. Always begin every sentence with a capital letter. Instead of writing, "Today is a beautiful day," write, "Today is a beautiful day." Every new sentence deserves a capital letter at the beginning. Names of people always start with capital letters. For example, Ahmed, Sarah, Ali, and Aisha. These are proper names, so their first letters should always be capitalized. This rule helps readers recognize names easily. Days of the week and months of the year also begin with capital letters. Monday, Friday, January, and December are all written with capital letters. If your birthday is in August, remember to write August with a capital A. Names of countries, cities, and languages must be capitalized. For example, Pakistan, Islamabad, English, and Urdu. When writing about places or languages, always start their names with capital letters. This is one of the most common grammar rules in English. Here's a special rule. The word I is always written as a capital letter. Even if it appears in the middle of a sentence, it must remain capital. For example, my brother and I went to school. Titles are important, so major words in book and movie titles usually begin with capital letters. For example, The Railway Children or The Lion King. Capital letters help titles stand out and look professional. Let's test your knowledge. Look at this sentence. I live in Pakistan and my birthday is in July. Can you spot the mistakes? The correct sentence is, I live in Pakistan and my birthday is in July. Excellent if you got it right. Let's quickly review. Use capital letters at the beginning of sentences for names, days, months, countries, cities, languages, the word I, and important titles. Follow these simple rules and your English writing will instantly improve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons.